Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time we're gonna be doing a really pretty set of long pink nails with a whole bunch of different bling. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm going in with the color Bubble Bath by OPI. As you guys know, this is my favorite light pink as well as my clients, so I need to stock up on a new one. But again, we're gonna go ahead and do this on every nail and curing each coat for 30 seconds, and of course we're gonna come back and do 2 coats. Also, if you get any polish around the cuticle area, you can just go in with a small brush and just clean that cuticle area by dipping the brush into a little bit of acetone, wiping it off, and then cleaning around that cuticle area. And then also you will see me kind of wipe off the sides of the nails, and that's me literally just tapping the sides to make sure that the gel polish does not take away from our shape. We all know that gel polish is a little bit on the thicker side, so sometimes it will make your nails look a little bit more rounded. So by you just tapping the sides of the nail, it's gonna make the nail nice and straight and not rounded. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the second coat, and remember I'm using my body UV LED lamp to cure the nails for 30 seconds. Depending on what kind of light you're using and what watts it is, you might have to cure for a little bit less or longer. Again, it's just gonna depend on what kind of lamp you have, so you're just gonna have to see what works for you. But I cure for 30 seconds in between each coat, and then my top coat I'll always cure for 60 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the second coat on both hands, and I'll be back. Alrighty, so now we're gonna move on to the bling. So I'm using a few new stones that I have, and they're like a marble design. They're pretty nice and different. They're actually really different. But I'm gonna be using some pink, some blue, and some white as well. And I'm just gonna do random designs. And actually, this set was inspired by Fly Knee. I think that's her name. So I'll be sure to leave her Instagram information down below so you guys can go check her out. But my client just brought in a picture, and I think that's something that people have asked me, how do I come up with designs? And a lot of the time my clients just let me do whatever I want, and then a lot of the time they also just bring pictures of nails that they like, and then I just recreate them. But as always, I'm using my Mia Secret gel resin, my wax pencil, and then I'm also using a few of my SS6 and SS12. And then the rest are just the bigger marble bling. I don't even know what they're called, to be honest. But we're going to go ahead and finish off this set. And literally, if you want, you can just place them wherever you want. But I'm just, again, recreating a look that my client brought in. Alrighty, so once we finish applying the bling, we're going to spray the nails with the Mia Secret Gel Resin Activator. And then after that, I'm going to go in with the IBD Gel Top Coat. As you guys know, this is the one that I always use, and it works really good for me. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it on all of the nails. And then I'm going to cure this hand for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to do the same thing or something really similar on the other hand. Alrighty, y'all, so here is the final look. They turned out really pretty. Those colors look so good together and they just look flawless. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at GetNo32, and I will see you guys next time.